Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. My name is Dipto Sarkar and today I am gonna share with you how you can rank your gig on first page on Fiverr. Maybe you are a freelancer and you wanna provide your service on Fiverr, and for providing service on Fiverr you need to create a gig, and for getting more order depend on your gig performance. If your gig on first page, then you will get more order. But place your gig on first page, it's not a very easy thing. But in this video I will show you how you can create your gig that your gig will place in first page. So without talking too much, let's dive in. For creating a high performance gig, you need to focus on three things. The first one is keyword research, then the title and thumbnail. And I will show you in detail how you can research keyword for your gig, then how you can make a very eye-catchy title and eye-catchy thumbnail. Maybe you provide a service on WordPress website, then you need to go to the Fiverr, and after coming on Fiverr, you need to search for WordPress website or maybe WordPress. So when you place your actual keyword here, you need to find some auto suggest keyword here, okay, and then you need to go each one and find the search volume. Don't worry, I will show you step by step how you can do that. Okay, then WordPress, and then the first one is WordPress website design. Okay, go to there. Okay, after that copy the keyword and then make a Excel sheet and make a sheet like that. Follow my step. So here is the keyword. This is the keyword. This would be the gig number. Oops. Gig number. And then the order, relevant keyword. Okay, so make a Excel like this. I'm just stressing the field that I can put more data here. Okay, so yeah, that's the thing. Now you need to copy the keyword from here and just place the keyword here. Also copy the available gig according to this keyword. Just copy this and place the gig number here. Okay, then again back to the Fiverr home page and again search for WordPress. Then WordPress plugin Elementor. Let's say the WordPress Elementor. So here competition is very low, so you need to copy the keyword again here, and you need to also find the search volume. Okay, so in compared to the first keyword, the second keyword rank is also very low, but you need to find a keyword where the competition level is maybe 1000 or maybe more less than that. So you need to find this keyword, and by this process you can definitely find this keyword. You need to actually find 20 keywords. Remember, 20 keywords you need to find. So again you need to search for WordPress, and here again place a space here or maybe some character here, then it will provide you the auto suggest one. Okay, maybe WordPress, and I press A, and if I press A, here is another new keyword found. Okay, WordPress auto blog. Let's see this keyword. Oh my god, here competition is very low. It's 240 keyword. Okay, 243. So copy this keyword. This would be a very potential keyword, guys, and copy the number from here. Okay, and then search another keyword maybe WordPress, and now press B. WordPress build, WordPress backup. Let's see the WordPress backup. But guys, you need to find out 20 keyword, okay? And after find out 20 keyword, then you need to decide on which 5 keyword you will go for to create 5 gig, okay? So I will show you to achieve more keyword I will find in that way, because if I found 20 keyword in this video, then video length will be very long. So I will just show you the process and you need to actually perform this process, okay? So here's the WordPress backup, and here competition is also a little bit low. Here is 1151 service available according to this keyword, okay? So assume you will find 20 keyword according to your field. Now you need to do some more research on a specific one. So you need to mark up this. You need to color this according to the competition. Maybe this competition is very high, so color this as red. This competition is also very high according to this, so it's also red. This competition is very low, so you need to make this green. And this competition is also medium, some sort, so you can make it yellow, something like that. Now among this 4 gig, what is our potential gig, so this 2 is the potential gig, and this is also more potential because competition is very low. So now we need to copy this keyword and do some more research according to this keyword. So you need to search some here, and after find the gig page, you need to open first 2 rows all the gig. So I am opening all the gig here. Okay, and now you need to find out is they are getting order regularly or not. Maybe there is a low competition, also there is a low demand. So on that field you don't need to go for to create gig. So you need to find the low competition, high demand one, okay? And you will definitely find out, because category is expanding day by day, so every day there is some new opportunity, okay? So now we're taking a look. Oh my god, there is a 5 order in queue. Oh god, 4 order in queue, okay? 1 order in queue, 3 order, 2 order in queue. So almost everyone getting order from this WordPress auto block keyword, So whenever you first go to the Fiverr, maybe you wanna create a gig on WordPress web design. So there is competition is very high, and there is a very low chance to getting order. But in this keyword, there is competition is very low, and also they are getting order. So which one is potential for you? I hope you judge this. So now you need to place a yes here, okay? That means the competitor getting order regularly. So this is a potential field, and also you need to do this on green mark because this is a potential one. And the relevant keyword, now you need to copy all the gig title. I mean the 2 rows gig that we are opening, copy all the title for the first 2 row, okay? This will help us to create, our own title. So you need to do that by this way. Just copy this and go back, copy this one, now go back. So I will copy this 3-1 for this video, but you need to copy all the 2 rows gig title, okay? So if I go one more round, you need to do a keyword research for 20 keyword, and after research 20 keyword, you need to find the gig number, they are getting order regularly or not, and the relevant keyword. and after find all of this, you will see the green line here. Okay, so the keyword also in green and they are also in green. Okay, so you need to create a gig on this WordPress blog keyword. Okay, so definitely among 20 keyword you will find the top 5 keyword. There are potentially chance to getting order if you create gig on that. So you need to create gig on those keyword. Okay, so this is the thing for keyword research. Now we need to fix the title. So remember, we copy the relevant keyword from here. Relevant keyword means the relevant the first 2 rows title we have copy here. Now we need to create our own title among this. Create our own title according to this title. Okay, so go to another row here. So remember, you need to place your actual keyword at the very first. Okay, so your actual keyword is WordPress auto blog. So you can create something like, so when you create on Fiverr gig, there is some auto, there is a prefix there. So this is I will. Okay, and then you can place your title there. So you need to place your keyword here. So you can place maybe something like that. I will create WordPress auto blog. So I will place our actual keyword here. Now we can take some idea. Automated news website. Okay, news website, blog or news website, news RSS. So maybe I can give the title something like this. I will create WordPress blog for automated news website. Automated news website. Okay, or a news website. Okay, so I will place my keyword at the very first. Then from this relevant title, I take some portion from here. So you need to create your title by that way. You need to find your competitor title. You need to properly analyze your competitor title, and then you need to create your own title. Never copy this and never copy anything. Okay, you need to create your own, but you can definitely take some idea from there. So I have take some idea from here, the automated news website, and I create my own. I will create WordPress auto blog for a automated news website. Okay, so the title is gone. So you have already researched your keyword, you are fixed your title. Now you need to create a very good thumbnail. Okay, because thumbnail is very important. When buyer search, then he or she will find those gigs, and among those gigs, which one will be very eye-catchy, they will get the order. Okay, so if I scroll down, if I scroll a bit, which one takes your attention? This one at first takes my attention. This one, okay, this one is very low quality because there is, this is also top rated seller, but the quality is very low because there are lots of text. Okay, this is very clean. This is also clean and informative. Always try to put your image on the gig, because a person definitely happy to communicate with a person. Okay, so if you post your image on your gig, this will be definitely make a very plus on your side. So yeah, that is the thing. You can create a thumbnail in that way. Make your thumbnail very clean. Okay, make your thumbnail very clean and put your image and maybe 2 or more text. This gig, so the text is very low. This is very bad quality. Okay, so we need to create a good thumbnail that will attract buyer attention, that will hook buyer. So yeah, so you can create thumbnail in that way. You can definitely research other your competitor thumbnail, which one performs good. So this one, I guess this is also level 2 seller by 46 review. This is also 109. So you need to research your competitor gig and create a thumbnail according to this, or you can take a Fiverr guideline for making thumbnail. So the thing is, you need to you need to research proper keyword, then you need to make a proper thumbnail and the proper title. Okay, and whatever service you are provide, make a description in that way. Follow the SEO best practice. Don't use the redundant keyword stuffing. Don't do this. You can make a very good description with use relevant keyword. Okay, so never copy anyone description. Create your own. You can help ChatGPT. You can take help from ChatGPT, but never copy from anyone. So for Fiverr, there is a turnaround time called 50 days. So if you publish your gig today, within 50 days, definitely you will get your first order if you properly follow the thing. So there is a 50 days turnaround time. From create your gig to publish and getting order, there is a 50 days gap. So after create your gig, within 50 days you will definitely get your first order. And if you follow my step here, and after getting 2 or 3 orders, your gig definitely will rank on first page, because you are unique. You don't copy from anyone. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you found this video helpful, then hit the like button, do subscribe, and if you have any confusion, any suggestion, you can definitely leave a comment below. I will catch you guys in the next one. Until then, bye.